This tiny, cheeky conversion is the kind of automotive mischief that makes car lovers grin. Japan's 70Y0.70 kit takes the ever-popular Suzuki Jimny and dresses it up as a miniature Land Cruiser 70 series. Not a half-hearted badge swap but a full-on visual transformation that leans into nostalgia while keeping the Jimny's practical bones exactly where they belong. At first glance the conversion is pure charm. Round LED headlights, a bespoke grille that evokes the trucky presence of the 70 series, a chunkier hood stamped with a dedicated 70Y0.70 destroyer emblem, and vintage-style turn indicators that complete the throwback look. Close inspection reveals playful touches that sell the illusion, extra vents along the flanks, faux grilles at the rear, and a cheeky, non-functional AdBlue filler on the hood, a wink to diesel Land Cruisers even though the donor Jimny is petrol-only. What makes this more than a styling hobby is the level of detail. The bumper and bodywork blend Jimny parts with custom panels. The package includes period-inspired mirrors and taillight housings that transport the small sub-silhouette into classic Land Cruiser territory. The kit was developed by Japanese outfit Jimny Land together with local tuner Garage Ill, which explains why the fit and finish looks purposeful rather than slapped on. But underneath the retro skin sits stock Jimny hardware. A naturally aspirated 1.5-liter four-cylinder that produces roughly 100 horsepower, nothing earth-shaking, but paired with the Jimny's light curb weight the package feels appropriately sprightly. Buyers who want to lean more serious off-road can bolt on options, snorkels, all-terrain tires on wider alloys, and suspension upgrades to give it a more capable stance. The conversion has so far been applied to the 3-door Jimny, though images suggest the 5-door Nomad could be a candidate too. That's the charm of projects like this. They're aspirational but grounded. You get the heritage look and personality of an old-school Land Cruiser without the size, cost, or fuel consumption of the real thing. For those who love the aesthetic but not the diesel grunt, this is a fun middle path, quirky design, modest power, and the possibility to customize the mechanical bits later if you want more pace or